my channel. So today I'm going to talk about a very important topic in all of our lives, and I know that most of you are in college, first year, second year, or you're about to start college. All the best for that. So I have seen on YouTube that there are various college essential series going on. Affordable makeup, what you should take, 5 products under 500 rupees that you should have in a college makeup bag. But the most important thing that you should know in college is what I have learned in these 3 years of college. But these are the things that I just hope that I had known before I went into college, and that's why I am here today to let you guys know on those things that I wish someone had told me. So yeah, let's get on with it. The number one thing that you have to remember is that a lot is gonna change in your life. High school is over and now you are entering the real world. College is the first step towards the real world, and you get a sneak peek of the real world out there. So first thing, many of us do one thing that is not going to work in college anymore, that is just gulping down the study material and just throwing it on your exam day. That is not gonna happen, not gonna help you anymore. So you really have to study, understand, and you have to love the topic, the subject you are studying, and that's the whole point of the difference between a high school or school and college. In school you read a whole lot of shit that you don't really care about, and in college you get to choose the subject you really want to study. So you have to study. Number 2, you need to grow a good rapport with your seniors and professors. You have to find out there are professors who are willing to come up to you, open up to you, and make you understand the topic. You have to identify those professors and go up to them. That's another thing, building rapport. Nowadays, a very potent problem is that the problem of ragging. You have to understand the difference between a healthy get to know you between the juniors and seniors, and when your seniors are actually ragging you. Something like on the first day of freshers or all throughout the first semester actually. Things like making you dance, asking you to sing, asking you to mimic someone, act, those are normal. If those things don't happen, your seniors are not taking you seriously or are not interested in knowing you guys. That's fun, that's entertainment. But if those things just exceed a limit and it becomes physical or psychological, you need to go up to the authority and complain or make a report of it. There is nothing to be ashamed of or nothing so as the peer pressure. I'm coming to peer pressure next. So you have to open up and stand against ragging or bullying. So next thing is peer pressure. Peer pressure is really a thing in college. Me personally, I haven't experienced peer pressure, but I have seen what it does to others. Intoxication, drugs, cigarettes, smoking. I'm not against anything. It's your lifestyle, your choice. If you want to drink your night out, it's up to you. But don't do it just because someone is pressurizing you. That is what I'm against. Next thing is that of course you're gonna enjoy. You're gonna go out, you're gonna meet new people, you're gonna make new friends. Maybe you were from a school, girls' school, and now you're coming to a co-educational college or university. You are gonna mingle with many people. You are gonna go out, but when you're going out clubbing or partying, don't leave your drinks unattended even for a single moment. If it so happens that you have to leave it on the counter and go to the washroom, when you come back, don't have the drink anymore. Just throw it out or just leave it there. Just don't, because you never know who mixes anything with your drinks, and you just want to avoid those stuff. Next thing is that you are starting a new chapter in your life. Friends for us who are in this stage are everything for us. We think till school, but when you go up to college, things just change. In the first semester, you're gonna make new friends. You're gonna come in. Your life's gonna change, take a different turn. But from the next semester, you really start realizing that you were wrong about most of the people you thought were right. It is very confusing. It sounded very confusing, but I think you guys get me. Till the end of your graduation, you will see that the people who you thought were gonna be your great friends and everything, they hardly talk to you anymore. They hardly care about you anymore, and they are the ones who are gonna back bitch about you. Just mark my words for tomorrow. You are gonna have to deal with it, but that's it. You have to deal with it. You are not in school anymore where you can just cry your heart out and then go back to the same person and talk all over the shit again. No, it's not school anymore. You are in college and you have to move on from that. You are gonna enjoy, but you have to study. Trust me, you have to study. You have to pinch in and just make time for studying, because by the end of the semesters, you will have to study nevertheless, and studying at the end of the semesters is very tough. You don't feel like it, you are tired, and you hardly even know what was taught in class. So just make time for studies. You have to study, guys. And another official thing I want to clear out here, that take care of all the official documents that are provided to you. The fees books, the registration certificates, the receipts, the payment slips, the library cards. Just keep it intact in a file, because at the end of your graduation, you are going to need those certificates. If you lose them or you misplace them, then you have to go through a whole lot of signings, filing, reporting and all those stuff. You really want to avoid that paperwork. So just save all the documents and paperworks with you. Official thing done. Coming back to the fun thing, you are gonna go partying, go out with people, but let a guardian or a responsible person in your life know where you are going and with whom you are going. That is very important. God forbid if something happens with you, or you are just too drunk to drive home, you can just call them up and they know where to get you from. Or if God forbid so happens that your phone is not reachable, you are not coming home, and something or the other has happened to you, you have gotten into a fight or anything, they at least know whom to call or where to go looking for you. If you are already in a relationship between going into college, it is gonna get really tough. And I specifically said because jealousy is gonna come in. You are gonna spend much more time with people of other gender, and that, however good or complimenting the relationship may be, jealousy factor some way or the other does creep in. So to avoid that, do keep your partner in the loop of who you are making friends with, who you actually like. Do tell them that you like this person, or you like that person, or that person likes you, because of course you're a human being. You are always of course gonna find another person who is nice, has a nice charisma, has a nice personality. Nice, of course, that's very natural. But let your partner know that yes, he or she is my friend, and they are just friends. That's the limit. Let them know. And for God's sake, don't ramble about the same person. He or she may be your friend. You might be spending a whole lot of time with each other in college, but keep that to yourself. Don't go on rambling about that same person to your partner day after day, every night, and that is only gonna aggravate the jealousy factor. So just don't. Another thing is that if you are single and not in a relationship, most of the times many people may approach you, but they don't know how to take a no for an answer. Don't hurt their feelings. Try not to hurt their feelings because you never know what hurts one's feelings or emotions or ego. But do try to keep that intact and not harm them, because you can't even can't blame them. You are that good. Everyone is gonna love you. But if you don't want to be with that person, let them know specifically on their face that I like you as a friend, but please, let's just keep it to that. So let them know. That helps a lot. Trust me, rather than beating behind the bush, just tell them. One thing that is specifically to India, I'm not very sure how it goes on in other countries. In India, in Indian colleges and universities, political parties are very rampant, and in most universities, luckily in my university it didn't happen. It has never happened, but I think my university is an exception in that. Some political parties are gonna approach you or sometimes even threaten you. I'm not saying it's gonna come up every time, but they might come up. You have to deal with them, and you have to report them to the concerned authority. There are authorities specifically made up for this ragging. This is also another perception or another concept of ragging. Keep that in mind. Do let your parents know first, and then do let the concerning authorities know that you are being harassed, psychologically and emotionally harassed by these parties, whichever party it may be. It doesn't matter. There are people in these specific parties who will come up and help you out, because every person in every political party is not bad. Every political party has some good people, and they will come up for you. So you need to report that so that they at least know what is going on. So yeah, that was all I had to let you guys know and warn before you go into college. And overall, you are gonna have the experience of a lifetime. You are gonna go into internships. Do go into internships, because they do help in the biodata section of yours. So do opt for internships in college. At the end of your graduation, you are going to come out as a completely different person from anything you perceived yourself to be, and that is the best part about college life. So I'll be doing this college essentials, makeup and everything next. This was just what I needed you to know before college makeup or college essentials. This is the most essential thing you guys have to know. And if you guys found this video to be helpful, do like my video and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any other questions regarding relationships, lifestyle, emotional, anything, just comment down below, or you want it to be anonymous, mail me in my mail ID or any of the media links given below. I will try and get back to you guys. I hope you're having a wonderful day and you are gonna have a great college ahead. Till the next time, bye.